when someone else is talking, you don't really have to look at them. But when you speak, you have to look at the camera.
Yes,
Because
correct.
whoever, like you guys, I can see the moment I saw it was live, I was like, okay, they're gonna use this clip. Okay, stare and talk. I have to remember that this is good for them, you know, this is their content. So
Correct. So guys, if you remember this, tip number 1, when you make videos,
stare.
look, not stare lah. Look to the pinhole when you talk for your live sessions in the future, because you can actually make videos out of it without having to do it all over again, because you are actually looking at the camera already.
Yeah.
To make your own video, okay, make sure you be yourself, even how shitty we are, okay, be the best shitty person we can ever be, but be
As
yourself.
genuine as can be.
Yes. And before you make any videos, plan ahead, okay, set the tone, set the emotion.
You can do both. You record if you have something important to say and you know it's not going to be a 3-sentence scenario. So plan to make it long, but also know when you can cut it short, because you need those 2 videos. One video is to put it and circulate it. If people are interested in that bit, you have a link to show them where the longer one is.
Like a preview.
So
like a
why
teaser.
like, you know, if you have the time, why decide when you can have both? But make sure you have more than at least 4 sentences that you want to say, then you decide, okay, I'll make it a video. It's not no point, right? 2-minute video and you have like only 4 long words to say.